Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Vauxhall Zafira 2010 model petrol. I'm going to troubleshoot. There is an engine management on. Also vehicle little bit shaking. Look like to me the misfire. However, I'm going to check with the computer and going to show you how to solve the problem. Stay with me, take a good idea. If you still not subscribe our channel, please do it now. Also press bell icon, then we can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments about this, please contact or please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go. This is the problem vehicle has. I'm going to show you. Start the car. Now you can see as it is little bit this needle going up and down. See, little bit moving, and also engine management light on. This is the problem at the moment vehicle has. If you doesn't know where's the OBD connector of this car, you need to go this console bottom after the gear lever. You can see there is a hole. You can put the finger there, and after that you feeling there is a clip need to press and pull. This clip need to little bit press and just pull. It will come out. After that you can see as it is. This is the OBD connector. I'm going to plug in. Green light on, it means computer connected with the car. Next step, need to ignition on. Now ignition on. I'm going to follow instruction. Scan. Need to select the vehicle. Opel Vauxhall. This is Vauxhall. Press yes. Auto ID, press yes. This is the VIN number. I'll check with the car. It's tally. Press OK. Next step, I'm going to diagnostic. Engine code. Select the engine. Press code. There is a 2 code. P0597. Coolant thermostat. However, this fault code can illuminate engine management, but can't get any vibration or shake in the vehicle. That's mean I had to attack to the second problem. P0304, cylinder number 4 misfire detected. Look like to me there is a problem in the coil pack or plugs. However, I am going to do both as a first step, and we'll see what's going on there. Stay with me, take a good idea how to remove the coil pack, how to remove the plugs, install, reset from computer. Let's go. Need to open the bonnet latch here. Underneath, this is the bonnet latch. Also, I'm going to leave it as it is, everything. Switch off the ignition. Open the bonnet. Need to remove this plastic cover and this electrical connector. Lift up, it will come out. Need to press tab like this. Remove the electrical connector. Need to remove these 2 screws holding coil pack. when you do like this job, take your own time. No need to rush and dig in the problem. Going to remove coil pack. I'm using flat screwdriver like this. It bit stiff, something happened inside. Come out. You can see as it is broken tips. This one also broken. And broken spring inside all scallop. Cylinder number 1 and 4 both spring in. This is the scallop spring, and also stuck rubber boot. Another boot there. I'm going to open the coil pack. You can see as it is this connector damage. However, inside connector nice and shiny. This is for the cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 2 connector. Inside you can see as it is bit rusty. I think this one not connected properly. However, this is the cylinder number 3. Inside I can see little bit rust build up, and the cylinder number 4 little bit better. This is the good one. Other 3 little bit bad connection. Could be that's why the problem. However, I am going to take out the plugs now. I am going to remove spark plug. I am using impact gun for this job because I am familiar with this gun and I know torque of this gun. That's why I am using this gun. There is a bit risk, but however, I am 100% aware of this job. That's why I am using the gun. If you are using the gun, be careful. If you are not sure, better to use normal ratchet. I am using Bosch spark plug for this job. Bosch plug, very good quality. I am going to compare old one and the new one. Make sure identically, size wise okay. I am using number 2 torques. When I going to remove it, I am using number 3 remove. When I going to install, I am using number 2 torque. I'm going to compare new one and all ignitions. This length all okay. Old one has a 1 2 3 4 5 6 pins. New one also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, everything identically okay. I'm going to replace new one in. Need to connect this connector. Right, it's clipped in. After that, need to connect this one. It's in. Cover. All in, all done for the engine bay. Now we need to go inside the car and reset from computer. Let's go inside the car. Need to ignition on. Vauxhall automatic ID, press yes. Okay, engine codes, then need to clear these codes. Clear code completed. Press continue, and I want to make sure is it gone or still there. I'm going back to the codes again. Recheck any code left there. Computer say no code present, that means all code deleted. Return to main menu, leave the computer as it is, and I'm going to switch off the car and start. Car starting fine. Now you can see as it is, this needle station, it's not moving like earlier. Earlier it was going up and down, now it's steady. And also this side, you remember there was a engine management light, however light wasn't there. Now I'm going to do the test run. If I found out anything, I'll update it. Otherwise, you know how to diagnostic, replace plugs and coil pack. This is the way you need to follow. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. See you with another video.